folks, how are you today? What I'm going to do is we're going to pull apart a trailer plug and show you what's inside. Now, there's a few different types of trailer plugs that we use in the Australian caravan and trailer business. This particular one here, this is what's called a 12-pin flat. We also have a 7-pin flat, we have a 7-pin round small, and we have a 7-pin round large. This one is becoming a lot more popular. So I've just taken the screws off and we're going to pull the back of this off. And being a 12-pin, it's got two sides to it. So any normal trailer plug, so a 7-pin flat, 7-pin round, and this one, this top 7 pins are all about your trailer lighting, your marker lights, your indicator lights, and your brake lights. Now, for those that want to know a bit about colours, this is a Nava trailer connector, and every Nava trailer connector has got the code on the back of what is what. So for example, we'll match it up. The number 1 pin is a left-hand indicator, number 1. Number 2 pin is a reverse signal. Now caravans don't have a reverse signal, so that number 2 is normally used with an AES fridge to give it power, and that tells the van that the car's connected to the 12-volt side of it. Number 3 is our earth. Number 4 is our right-hand indicator. 5 is our service brakes, so that's your electric brakes. Number 6 is our stop lights, our brake lights, and number 7 is our clearance lights. So that's on the side and the front and the back of the caravan. So that's your top 7. And in a 7-pin plug, those are exactly the same, 1 through to 7. On the other side, however, of a 12-pin plug, which we're seeing a lot more of in the caravan industry here in Australia, we've got these bigger wires. So these only need a light current, so it's a small wire that's needed to go in. On this side, these wires are traditionally what you would be known to put into an Anderson plug. That's that grey plug that's designed to take a thick wire because you need a good feed of current. So, you know, this is what's charging your battery while you're driving. This is running your fridge and powering your fridge while you're driving. So number 9 on here is the power wire, and number 10 is your earth, and then we've got these other ones here that you can feed into. So some manufacturers into number 11 are running a wire into that to run what's called an ESC on the Caravan. ESC is electronic stability control. So folks, that's basically how the trailer plug works. What I'll do, let me just run through it again for you. Number 1, left-hand indicator. Number 2 is the black wire. That's the reversing signal. Normally that will be empty. Number 3 is your white wire, that is an earth wire. Number 4 is your green wire, that is your right-hand indicator. Number 5 is your service brake, so that's your electric brakes, that's the blue wire. Red wire is your stop lights, and number 7 is your side markers and your clearance lights, and that's the brown wire. Have a great day, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.